The 2011 Mazda 3. The 2010 Car and Driver's 10 Best Award winner. The Mazda 3 meets your vehicle wants and needs. Powerful and economical, technologically savvy, and boasting top safety features. The Mazda 3 is the total package. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles and is priced below $15,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, power steering, front air conditioning, automatic transmission, front wheel drive, AM/FM CD MP3 radio, power locks, clock, power windows. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.